Alright, we're about to go to the supermarket. Woody, wait, no, we're about to go to the supermarket. Come on, can't wait, Buzz, wake up. Woody, we gotta drop the load. Alright, Buzz, here it goes. Dropping the load. At this moment, Mr. Potato Head knew that he hecked up. Okay, Woody, we gotta get cough drops. We gotta go to the supermarket, man. Alright, fine. We're doing it, boss. We're going to the supermarket. Yay! I can't get cough drops. Come on. We're gonna fly. Yay! Buzz, don't you need cough drops? Yes, I gotta go back now. Get my cough drops. Wait, no, you're so close, honey. Alright, and got your cough drops now. You ready to go to the supermarket? Yep, all thanks. And now I'm good. Clear throat.